first contestant, Miss Jackie.
Okay.
Well, it's a good thing that's not really the fire that's really used felt, but it's okay. Yun lang. I'm sorry I haven't done anything because I haven't eaten yet, so my mind is...
Talaga na parang natuwa talaga ako. Kasi diba, I wasn't really expecting, kasi usually diba when you say yung talent portion, ganyan, it's lalo na yung Victory's Got Talent, diba? So, iniisip ko kanta, sayaw, ganyan. This was something new para sa akin. And nakakatuwa, pero tama yung sinabi ni Miss Jackie kanina na buti na lang hindi siya fire. So, yun. Kundi nasunog ka or yung stage. Ayan. Pero it was good. It was good. Nakakatuwa. Next time, more practice pa.
Thank you so much.